I'm just gonna grab and see what we've got.
It looks like a scuba diving mask. As much as I love the ocean, I hate going under the water. Nail drill machine. It is a cactus grow kit. Maybe I'll give it to my mom. Decoration book. Solar lights. These are fun. So it's got a solar thing. A letter from your teacher on the last day of school. Sofa arm tray table. Cause feels like a door handle almost. They didn't know I was a teacher. Like, which teacher got this and then returned it? Like, shame on you. They're like texture fidget pads. It is a Minecraft birthday party kit. Home security Wi-Fi camera. Silly sense markers. Okay. It says wind chime. This is? It's a dress for a child. It is a pencil pouch that is Friends theme. Oh, stickers! It's a sticker pack. They are markers. It's rubber bands. They are all bluey. Bluey croc charm. What is it? Oh! Again, kid ear defenders. Oh, they're chalk markers. That's a lot of colors. Tattoos. NASCAR temporary tattoos. Basically just a poster of an album cover. Oh, it's an Apple Watch band. Phone grip and stand. A singular croc charm. 3-finger archery glove. Oh, they're door stoppers. Heck yeah. It's a speaker for a boat. Seatbelt adjusters for adults. I knew what it was because I could feel it. It's a duck. Croc charms. Oh, they're Phoenix Suns. Oh, more croc charms. These are Peppa Pig. It is that thing. 6 scented sachets, white lilac. Vacuum seal. It's the Grinch. Inkless hand and footprint frame kit. What do you think? Was it worth it? Should I do this again? And would you do it? Would you do this? Would you buy something from a liquidation site that is a bunch of like Amazon returns and whatnot? Let me know. I'm curious.